Good day everyone. Today I am going to present my seminar on the topic cultivation and the propagation of Aedes laevigata Fischer. So about the problem, the present work has been taken up to cultivate water iris plant which are under the rare, endemic and threatened category so as to conserve the plant species by following modern tools of agricultural practice under ICL rainfall field condition. So the continuous exploitation, habitat degradation, unsustainable harvesting and overexploitation brings substantial loss of their habitat during the past 20 years have resulted in population decline of water iris. So scientific cultivation of water iris is a must so as to produce quality planting material. Plant growth analysis and the good harvesting technique should be adopted to conserve the plant and the findings should be reached to the farmers. So my idea, water iris laevigata is commonly known as Kombirei in Manipuri, belong to the family Iridaceae. This is a rare endemic and threatened medicinal plant which is naturally grown in Manipur state in northeastern India. So fresh root or rhizome possesses diuretic, emetic and cathartic properties. It is highly poisonous in large doses, causes nausea, vomiting, fever and colic. And the root juice is good in dropsy, cosmetic and skin diseases. Flower is one of the constituent of offering to the god of Sairawa, the New Year festival of the Manipuris. Rate of the flower in the market ranges from Rs 10 to Rs 50 per spike. Because of high demand of the plant for medicinal value and flower, the plant can be cultivated for getting good income to the farmers. From the above mentioned fact, the research program was planned to conserve the plant from extinction. So, regarding this working principle, plantation and the cultivation of water iris was done during 2018 to 2020, that is 3 seasons, in the study plot of ICA Research Complex for East region, Manipur Center of the Imphal. So regarding treatment, 2 factors. In factor 1, 3 levels of spacing, that is S1, S2, S3, that is 30 centimeter, 45 centimeter and 60 centimeter. In factor 2, trimming, having 3 levels, T1 without trimming, T2 20 days after transplantation, and T3 trimming 40 days after days after transplantation. And the research was designed in a factorial randomized block design with a plot size of 4 meter and into 5 meters. Plantation was done in the month of July. Trimming started after 20 and 40 days after transplantation. Avoid cutting of leaves completely as the rhizome will need some foliage to collect nutrients and recover from the transplant shock. And the flowering was recorded during the month of March to May of next year and the harvesting follows. So regarding the targeted outcome, among the treatment, T6, that is S2, T3, having a 45 centimeter spacing with trimming 40 days after transplantation was found best. And T9, S3, T3, 60 centimeter spacing with 40 days after transplantation of trimming was second, and T3, S1, T3, 30 centimeter spacing with a trimming of 40 days after transplantation was the third, and the lowest was first in case of a T1, that is without trimming with a spacing of 30 centimeter. From the result, it can be concluded that in water iris cultivation, spacing of 45 centimeter with trimming at 40 days after transplantation treatment, that is T6, was the best, and whereas lowest value of treatment T1 in which 30 centimeter spacing without trimming is unfavorable for growth of water iris. Water iris can grow luxuriantly in the ICR experimental farm, Lamphel Park, with the treatment number T6, that is with a spacing of 45 centimeter and trimming 40 days after transplantation. So, thank you.